Hello guys, today we work with our book, page number 116. Miren ahí, 116 is the page, okay? And we did the following activity. This is the first one. Activity number one. We have to listen and check if the girl does the activity, okay, and cross if she doesn't do the activity, okay. Then let's listen and check or cross. Ready? Let's go.
What activities does she do? She doesn't paint.
She doesn't paint.
And she doesn't ride a bike.
And she doesn't ride a bike.
She dances. And
she dances and
she plays music.
She plays music. Okay?
She plays soccer.
She plays soccer.
But she doesn't draw.
But she doesn't draw. Okay, remember, check mark if she does the activity and cross if she doesn't do the activity. Okay, well, that was the first activity. Now, the second one is this one here. That's what it is. And we have to look at the picture, esta fotografía. It is a read and write the name. Then tiene four names: Rory, Oliver, Jody, and Alice. So, tenemos que poner el nombre de esta persona que hizo cada una de estas actividades. Ok, number one dice, what does she do? ¿Qué hizo ella? ¿O qué hace más bien ella? She swims, but she doesn't climb. Vean los nombres y vean lo que hizo. For example, Rory, it looks como brincó, hops, aquí, como que no tiene nada que brincó, ¿verdad que no? Ok, entonces, she swims, but she doesn't climb. ¿Quién será? Rory, Oliver, Jody, or Alice. Number two, he hops, but he doesn't climb. He hops, but he doesn't climb. Okay, entonces, next. Number three, she swims. Ella hizo eso. She swims and she climbs. También hizo esto para llegar al otro lado. And number four, he doesn't swim. No. But he climbs. Pero trepó. He doesn't swim, but he climbs. Ok, entonces, let's check it out. Vamos a revisar estas respuestas. Number one, Alice. Ella no hizo todo eso de climb ni nada de eso. She swims and that's about it. Next, Oliver. He hops, but he doesn't climb. Ya ven que no trepó por ahí. Se dio la vuelta y se fue derecho. Ok, next. She swims and she climbs. ¿Quién será? She climbs. Jody, vean, nadó y luego trepó, climb, trepó por ahí, okay? And the last one, Rory, he doesn't swim, o sea, no nadó, but he climbs, acá brincó, por eso no nadó, and climbs. Very, very good. Ok, pues este fue los ejercicios que estuvimos haciendo. Después por ahí estuvimos practicando con nuestros números, additions and the numbers from 10 to 100. Así que hay que practicarlos porque se nos olvidan muy fácil. Listen up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ok, ahí están todos esos números. Vamos a practicarlos y nos vemos el día de mañana. Tomorrow, Thursday. See you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.